So when you break the consistency, that then after, what do you think? Have you ever feel nervousness? So you feel nervousness, sometimes you feel shyness. But one thing I recognize that when you break the consistency, then after you go in comfort zone, and comfort zone is very special, and then that time you feel very good. So I am talking about that you don't break up your consistency. So what I felt when I break the consistency, then after you get one thing, you recognize one thing, that one confidence that will build, that will be built up. What that is, I know I can speak, I can do anything, and I am able to speak anything on any subject, any random topic. But when you start the thing, when you start to speaking, that time you can fumble and you don't go ahead, you can't go ahead because of your overconfidence. This is called overconfidence. So today I am going to telling about when you break up the consistency, then what things happen and why we should be continue with consistency. So you once again welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you are listening English Education with Ashok. So once again welcome back all my dear listener. I am very glad to tell you the reality which are most of the new English learner don't understand, and they don't estimate that consistency play a vital role, critical role. So that's why you must not break the consistency. That's why you always keep practicing whatever you whole day do, and related activity you can mention, and you can record your video yourself, and then after you can correct it, and you can listen, and where it is necessary for progressing, where you can progress or where you don't. So that's why you can just estimate, you can know yourself how it is necessary for consistency. So if you want to go ahead and if you want to good fluency, then you must be consistency, keep practicing every day. So for that, if you break up the consistency, then what type of activity can you do, and with that thing you can go ahead. Is number one, this is the first solution. At least you take out 50 minutes every day from your comfort zone. If you are going to sleep, then before the sleeping time, at least start reading any 2 chapter, at least 15 minutes, and within 15 minutes you uh, will aware lots of unfamiliar words, and you can just write down, jot it down in your diary, and then after you can sleep. And before going to another point, I want to share you one thing, that I am going to give you 5 Hindi sentences, and you will have to comment on English. Okay, so let's start. ये नल है, ये नल था, वो कौन सी लड़की थी जो तुम्हारे बगल में बैठी हुई थी? आप पढ़ना क्यों चाहते हैं? क्या आप नहीं समझ पाते हैं कि कैसे पढ़ना है? नंबर 4 इज दैट मेरे पिताजी डॉक्टर थे, एंड लास्ट वन इज मेरे पिताजी डॉक्टर भी रह चुके हैं. So I am going to write now a second point when you break up the consistency. That's why before sleeping you read at least 15 minutes, and another you can add you listen at least 15 minutes also. But listen it with carefully, with confidence. What the podcast or related anything, whatever you are going to listen, then you listen it very carefully. When you listen carefully, then after one thing you can gain achievement, that one useful thing you can find. The matter is that you listening very perfectly, you can uh, you can guess what type of word they are using and where and which type of sentences they are using. This key is very important. So this was the today story which I shared you. So if you want to go ahead, then please keep consistency. And another thing which is very mandatory is that don't break up your consistency. When consistency has gone, your learning progress also gone. So let's promise with that, please keep consistency, and thank you for watching. I will wait your comment. Till then, take care, be patient, and keep consistency, and start your learning. Don't stop.